Hello everyone, it's me Critical Shadow, and today's topic is the constant source of greater constant search of greater comfort. Like I just think that from the evolution perspective, people, humans, or all the living species evolved, and they choose their habitat uh, where that is safe and it is comfortable for them. And now as human, we are constantly seeking for greater comfort. um, I, First I thought that it is just a human nature that seeking greater comfort, pleasure in life is what's human, it is human tendency. But sometimes I see the exact opposite of things, like people choosing to do DIY works other than instead of buying the thing, or going for extreme measures, sports, and going to visit very extreme places. And why is that? Was going to moon required to us? No. It was it comfortable? No, it was not comfortable, but still we did that. And we are constantly searching for comfort, but at the same time we are just so constantly searching for the difficult thing to do. That might be because we are lazy. Just everyone wants comfort, but sometimes just do the opposite of that thing. Now I'm just very confused, and the thoughts are not enough. And see you in the next video. That's my try. Then I promise you I will bring some great topic in the next video, and I will brainstorm the topic little better than this before making the video. So be ready for the next video, which I will be going to make, hopefully, definitely. Thank you. Goodbye. Not goodbye, bye.